Okay, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Audible? Hello everyone. Audible? In the last lab, how many examples we have done it? The assignment number 4. Okay, that we discussed in the last lab. Up to how many questions we have done it? Okay, question number 8. All of you done it up to the 8. Okay, so let's start question number 9. Okay, in this assignment 4, in the last lab, we have completed this question. Question number 1. It is a definition of graph and first theorem of graph theory. And some graphs are given, and here we check degree of all the vertex. Then after third one, there is draw one graph by using 5 vertex. 4 and 5 it is one theorem. Okay, for a simple graph and for uniform. Okay. Then after question number 7, that is a graph, complete graph and complete bipartite graph. Okay, so to draw it, that is a K7 is a complete graph, K35, K26, these are the complete bipartite graph. Okay, and then after we have also discussed question number 8. Okay, as per yeah, Rohit is said, we have done it up to the 8. Okay, सबने 8 complete कर लिया, is remaining. All of you have done it up to the question number 8. Okay, nice. Yeah, in TC3 class, new student. So for that case, it will be remaining. Okay, and we'll discuss it after that. Okay, let's first solve some example. Question number 9. Okay, what is that? Define the Hamiltonian graph, Euler graph, and Peterson graph. Okay, so in the Hamiltonian and Euler graph, we have its definition. Okay, so here in this first and second, we have to mention the definition of Hamiltonian. Okay, and then after with it example, we have to draw one graph which is Hamiltonian graph. Okay, and then after mention Hamiltonian circle. And same for second one, write a definition of Euler graph. Okay, when we say any graph is Euler, and then after draw one graph here. So first and second, we have to write the definition and plus one example. Okay. In the third one, there is no any definition of Peterson graph. Okay, there is no any definition of Peterson graph, but we have its structure. Okay, so draw the graph of Peterson. Okay, draw the structure of Peterson graph. So here you have to mention this graph only. Draw Peterson graph. Okay, draw the structure of Peterson graph. Clear? That is a question number 9. So can anyone explain what is meaning of Hamiltonian graph? Yeah, what is the definition of Hamiltonian graph? Yes. Rohit, what is the definition?
Sir, like it includes every vertex of the graph and reaches in the matlab, reach the starting point from where it has been started.
Good. Okay. So here that we already discussed in the lecture. Okay. That is a part of unit number 4. Okay. Uh, that is the Euler graph. Clear? And then after we'll discuss Hamiltonian graph. So Euler graph. What is meaning of Euler graph? In this graph G, is it possible to find a closed walk running through every edge of the G exactly once? Then such walk is called Euler line. Okay, and the graph that consists of such Euler line is called the Euler graph. Okay, means you have to find one of the closed walk to the graph which covered every edge of the graph G exactly one time. Okay, which include every edge of the graph G exactly one time, and it is known as the Euler line, and this graph is called the Euler graph. Okay, so that is the definition. You have to mention it at that place, and then after write one example. So here one of the graph is given here, that is known as Euler. But in place of that, you have to draw another graph, okay, which follow the condition of Euler. Clear? And then after write Euler line. Here it is mentioned A E1 B E3 C E2 A. Okay, that is Euler line for this graph. Now in place of that, draw another graph. Okay. And then after write the data for Hamiltonian graph. Okay, have you done it? Definition of Euler and with the graph. And then after write the concept of Hamiltonian. It is one of the circuit. In such circuit, you have to connect it, said to be Hamiltonian circuit. If it is include every vertex of the graph G. Okay, in such circuit, you have to include every vertex of the graph G. And this type of graph which is connected, and in such you can find such circuit which covered every vertex of the graph G. And this type of graph is known as a Hamiltonian graph. Okay. And here one of the example is mentioned, but try to draw on another graph in place of that, okay? And just verify that which Hamiltonian circuit the graph is follow, okay? And also mention it at that place.
Sir, sir,
Yes, yes, Rohit. Hello.
सर यूलर ग्राफ में मतलब हर वर्टेक्स की रैंक इवन होगी?
In which graph?
ऑयलर ऑयलर का.
Yes, yes. There is one result we have discussed in this Euler graph. Every connected graph is Euler if all the vertices of even degree. Means you have to draw one graph and connect these vertices such a way that all the vertex should have even degree. Then it is always Euler graph. Okay, all of you have done it with both definition. Repeat example. Okay, nice. Okay, Rohit is done. What about the student? Deep, Ruvik, Horse, Janice. Okay, nice. Okay, so these questions, just 1 minute. Okay, so this type of questions we can consider, define Hamiltonian and Euler graph with its example. Okay, so that can be asked for 4 to 6 mark. Clear? Define definitions of Euler and Hamiltonian with example. Clear? And in third one, that is a Peterson graph. So we have one structure of Peterson graph only. There is no any definition of Peterson graph. Just 1 minute. This one. Okay, that is the graph of Peterson. Consider 5 vertex outside, 5 vertex inside. Make a pentagon by using this 5 vertex and create a star to the inside. Okay, and then after connect this endpoint. That is known as a Peterson graph design. Clear? Okay. And next question is that check the following graphs are Hamiltonian graph or not. Okay, so four various graph is given. You have to just verify that is it Hamiltonian graph or not. If it is Hamiltonian, find also the Hamiltonian circuit. Okay, which circuit the graph is followed. Okay. First, you just try it and then we'll discuss. In Hamiltonian graph, you have to create one close, you have to create one circuit which covered every vertex exactly one time. ठीक है, कोई भी एक vertex आपको start करना है और आपको सभी वर्टेक्स को विजिट करना है और फिर से वो स्टार्टिंग प्लेस पे पहुंचना है. दैट इज मीनिंग ऑफ हैमिल्टोनियन ग्राफ. Okay, so verify first it by yourself. Is it Hamiltonian or not? And then after we'll discuss. You can also reply your answer in chat box. Is it Hamiltonian? It is not Hamiltonian. Those are the new students. જે લોકો new student છે, just you just understand the Hamiltonian graph first, okay, and then try it by yourself. ठीक? If you have any doubt, you can ask me, but just try it. Clear? We'll repeat this all the theory again, okay? We'll revise it. We'll arrange one sessions for you those who have missed this all the topic clear in last 2 weeks. But now we just understand it, okay? The is a class book, okay? It's already available in your e-content. So just read it by yourself first, clear? And we'll arrange one of the sessions, clear? Extra sessions. Those who have missed, take the late admission, clear? And those who have missed this all the time, clear? Don't worry about that. We'll definitely finish this. Don't worry about that. You can definitely solve this any example. After you will understand this topic first. Okay? It's very easy, not a difficult. Okay? Right now, that will be difficult because you are learning this first time. Okay, it's very difficult, but very easy, not a difficult. And whenever you free, this unit one lecture note I already uploaded in your e-content in anywhere. Okay? So you can download it and read all the topic clear by yourself and just highlight your doubt that will discuss during the extra session. Okay, so we already know about what is the meaning of Hamiltonian graph. Okay, that we already discussed in the question number 9. What is meaning of Hamiltonian graph? Clear? अब ये Hamiltonian graph है या नहीं वो आपको चेक करना है, ठीक है? So what is meaning of that? कि कोई वर्टेक्स आपको स्टार्ट करना है, ठीक है? मीन्स यू टू क्रिएट वन सर्किट. सर्किट मीन्स कोई एक प्लेस से आपको स्टार्ट करना है और घूम फिर के फिर वहीं पे आना है, ठीक है? मीन्स यू टू क्रिएट वन क्लोज वॉल. So you have to create one circuit which covered every vertex of this graph exactly one time. ठीक है? तो first graph है, is it a Hamiltonian graph? Okay, that is satisfy the Hamiltonian circuit. Why it is satisfy Hamiltonian circuit? क्योंकि आप ऐसे अगर स्टार्ट कर दो, ठीक है, दैट इज माई स्टार्टिंग प्लेस, और ग्राफ में आपको मूव करना है, ठीक है, ऐसे मूव करना है कि कोई एक वर्टेक्स को आपको एक ही बार विजिट करना है, ठीक है, और फिर से स्टार्टिंग प्लेस पे पहुंचना. So let's start with the vertex A. This is my starting place. Okay, starting vertex. Now reach to the vertex B. Then after C. Then after D. Okay. Then after E. You can use the edge only to reach at that place. Okay. You cannot directly jump at any vertex. Connection should be there. Okay. Then after E. E to you can reach to the F. F to G and G to A. That is a circuit. Okay. From A to A, which covered all the vertex, every vertex exactly one time. So therefore, this graph is a Hamiltonian graph. Okay. So here your conclusion of this graph. Okay, yes, this graph is Hamiltonian. It is Hamiltonian graph because it has Hamiltonian circuit. Okay. Which circuit? You also mention it here. A to B, B to C, C to D, then after E, E to F, F to G, and G to A. That is your Hamiltonian circuit. Okay, and based on that circuit, you can say this graph is a Hamiltonian graph. Okay, there are another Hamiltonian circuit also. You can also write. You can also write down it here. Okay, as the answer. You can start with any vertex. There are lots of possibility of Hamiltonian circuit. Clear? Second is also Hamiltonian graph. Yeah, that is correct. Okay, second graph is also Hamiltonian graph. क्योंकि सिर्फ आपको बाउंड्री पे ही मूव करना है, ठीक है. There is no need to cover all the inside edges here because we are checking this graph is a Hamiltonian or not. Okay, so just move on the boundary. Start with the vertex A to B, then after B to D, D to F, F to E, E to C, and C to A. Clear? That complete one cycle, one circuit, and which covered every vertex exactly one time. Okay. And therefore it is a Hamiltonian graph. So write an answer. Yes, this graph is a Hamiltonian graph. Okay, because it has Hamiltonian circuit. it has Hamiltonian circuit. Okay, which circuit? We just mention it here. Here age notation is given, so we'll include age notation also in our circuit. So A to B means it is right as a even B. Okay, then after B to D, then after D 3F, F is for E. Okay, E is 6C and C is 7F. That is your Hamiltonian circuit. Okay. So second graph is also Hamiltonian. Now what about third one? It is one of the complex graph which include 20 vertex, okay, and number of edges. So you have to start with one vertex, को एक starting place आप fix कर दो, ठीक है? और ग्राफ में ऐसे मूव करो कि सभी vertex covered हो जाए, and again you can reach back to the starting place. Yeah. That is Hamiltonian graph, correct? Okay. Yeah, Janice has replied, Ludwig has replied, good. Okay. Draw this graph in your book first, okay? Make a connection as per the given in the graph, and then after check it. Okay. So what is your answer? All of you have checked it? Yes, only 3 to 4 students has replied the answer. What about the student? Nice. It is Hamiltonian graph. Good. Okay. So let's check why it is Hamiltonian graph. Okay, and let's create one of the Hamiltonian circuit. A is my starting place. Okay, you can consider another one in place of that. So A to B, ठीक है? A से B तक जाना है, then after B to C, clear? Then after C to D, D to E, ठीक है? We covered this 5 boundary vertex, clear? And then after from E, move to the inside, ठीक है? E से आपको ये तक नहीं जाना फिर से, E से आपको inside जो vertex है उसको cover करना है. So E to N, ठीक है? N to M, M to L, L to K, K to J, J to I to H, ठीक है? From H reach to the place G, and now from G will cover inside edges, okay? Will move to the inside. So G से अंदर जाना है, ठीक है? G to O, O to Q, Q to R, R to S, S to T, और T से exit होना है, ठीक है? From T you will reach to the vertex P, and from P you will reach to the F, okay? And from F you can reach back to the starting place. So in your route, okay, in this route, all the vertex are covered and there is no such repetition is happen. Okay. So all the vertex exit only one time and from A to A. Okay. So इसका conclusion आएगा कि yes, it is Hamiltonian graph because it has Hamiltonian circuit. And now write the circuit here. A to B, B to C, okay, and so on. Complete this part here. And fourth one, what is the answer of fourth one? That is look like is one of the tree, ठीक है? ये tree एक दिख रहा है. There is no any cycle is that, but all vertex are connected. So to say any graph is Hamiltonian, should have a one circuit, ठीक है? In the graph should have one circuit. But here it is not Hamiltonian graph because it does not contain Hamiltonian circuit. Okay. Is it clear to all? Is there any confusion to anyone in this lesson? Okay. You can practice some more example. Clear? Just try it, draw it by another any graph. Clear? And practice it. Is it Hamiltonian or not? Okay. Just practice. That is any random graph you can consider to verify this graph is a Hamiltonian or not. Okay. Now next example is that question number 11. Is the graph is Eulerian? Explain your answer and also check for Hamiltonian graph. ठीक है, दो ग्राफ यहाँ पे 1 and 2, दोनों को आपको Euler भी चेक करना है और Hamiltonian भी चेक करना है. ठीक है, so first write the first one, write for the Euler, okay, and then after check it for Hamiltonian and do it for the second also. Clear? First you try it and then we'll discuss. Okay, so what is answer of first one? Let's ask to the Vishnu. Can you hear me, Vishnu? Vishnu, audible? Yeah. Nihil has replied, first is not Euler. Okay. Nandan, Jai, Head. What is the answer? Is it true? First is not Euler? Okay, nice. So first graph is not Euler because as we know one condition to verify any graph is Euler or not. What is that condition? अगर सभी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री इवन है, ठीक है, and that case that graph always follow the Eulerian line. Okay, means you can easily create such closed walk which covered every edge exactly one time. ठीक है, अगर सभी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री इवन है तो then that case it is possible. Okay, otherwise it is not possible. Okay, so here the degree of H and Z is a degree 3. Okay, degree of H is a 3, G has a 3. So both have odd degree. So in that case, it is not possible to find such close walk which covered every edge exactly one time. Okay, let's check it. Is it possible or not? But it is not possible, and we can directly say by using this condition. Okay. So let's start with the vertex C. Okay, that is my starting place. And I have to cover all the edge exactly one time and again reach back to the starting place. ठीक है, फिर से मुझे वहीं पर पहुंचना है. So let's move on this graph. H C to B, then after B to E, okay, E to F, F to G, G to H, H to D, D to E again, and E to A, and from A you will reach to the C again, and but this edge is remaining, okay, to cover. This edge is remaining to cover. So therefore, it is not possible to manage such closed work which covered every edge exactly one. Okay. So conclusion यहाँ पे आएगा कि this graph is not a Euler graph. Okay. For Euler, yes, it is not a Euler graph. It is not Euler graph because it does not contain Euler line. ठीक है, such closed walk is known as Euler line. That is for first one. Now for Hamiltonian graph. So is this graph is Hamiltonian? First one, is it Hamiltonian graph? No. Nice. Okay, very good. So it is also not Hamiltonian graph. Hamiltonian की कंडीशन क्या है कि आपको कोई वर्टेक्स से स्टार्ट करना है और सभी वर्टेक्स को आपको एक बार विजिट करके फिर से स्टार्टिंग प्लेस पे पहुंचना है. ठीक है, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वर्टेक्स ए. ऐसे हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, ए टू सी, देन आफ्टर बी, ई, एफ, जी, एच, डी, and then from D you can reach to the E place again. So E is repeated. ठीक है, and that is not allowed in Hamiltonian graph. Clear? कोई भी vertex repeat नहीं होना चाहिए to reach complete your walk. So it is also not Hamiltonian graph. ठीक है, it is not Hamiltonian graph because it does not contain Hamiltonian circuit. Okay, that is your conclusion of first graph. Now for second graph. Is it Hamiltonian? Yeah, second is Euler as well as Hamiltonian both. Okay, nice, very good. So it is also Euler graph. Let us first verify for Euler. It is Euler graph. Okay. it is Euler graph because it has Euler line. Which Euler line we can consider? Let's check. और फर्स्ट आप ये भी कंडीशन अप्लाई कर सकते हो कि सभी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री क्या है, यहाँ पे इवन है, दैट इज 2 4 4, इज आल्सो 4, दैट इज 4 2 एंड 4, सभी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री इवन है, तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली फाइंड सम क्लोज वर्क व्हिच कवर्ड एवरी एज एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम. ठीक है, लेट्स चेक इट. आप ऐसे स्टार्ट करो, A to D, D to F, F to G, G to E, E to C, C to B. Okay, and from B move to the inside. Yeah, covered all the inside edges. Clear? G, then after D, then after E, E to F, and F to B again. And from B, you can use this edge and you can reach back to the A. Clear? सभी edge आ गई and we have used only one time. ठीक है? So you can mention the circuit line here. You can mention the Euler line here. A, then after D, F, G, E, C, B. Okay, and from B covered all the inside edges. So from B to G. Okay, G से फिर D तक आप जा सकते हो, D to A, E to F, F to B, and B to again A. That is your close walk, which covered every edge exactly one time. ठीक है? Do not mix up this Hamiltonian and Euler condition. Okay, in Euler condition we just focus every edge, and in that we repeat the vertex also. Clear? But in Hamiltonian case you have to focus every vertex exactly one time. Here we cannot repeat any vertex at any case. Clear? So that is, do not mix up it. Okay, they both are different. Now for Hamiltonian, so it is also Hamiltonian. ठीक है, ये हैमिल्टोनियन ग्राफ भी है. So which cycle you can consider? A, then after D, F, G, E, C, B and A. Just move on the boundary only. ठीक है, सिर्फ बाउंड्री पे ही मूव करना है and you can easily cover all the vertex exactly one. Okay, so that is answer of question number 11. Yeah, is there any doubt to anyone? Okay, nice. Now next is draw the Peterson graph, means just draw the structure of Peterson graph and check that is it Hamiltonian, Euler. If it is Hamiltonian and Euler, then write Hamiltonian circuit and Euler circuit. Okay. So first draw the graph and then after verify this both. Draw the Peterson graph. Okay. Okay, is it easy? All of you check Peterson graph. It is the shape of Peterson. Okay, ये Peterson graph है. So you can see it here. That we already discussed in the lecture session. Clearly it is not Euler graph. Okay, क्योंकि सभी की डिग्री क्या है? All the vertex have degree 3. So it is not possible to manage such close walk which covered every edge exactly one time. ठीक है, ये पॉसिबल नहीं होगा क्योंकि सभी की डिग्री ओड है. if किसी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री ओड हो गई तो वी कैन नॉट से दिस ग्राफ इज ऑइलर. तो कंक्लूजन आएगा कि इट इज नॉट ऑइलर ग्राफ. ओके, इट इज नॉट ऑइलर ग्राफ because it does not contain Euler line. ठीक है, इसमें कोई भी Euler line नहीं बनेगी जिसमें आप सभी एज एक बार कवर कर सको. ठीक है, so it is answer of first one. Now for the second one, is it Hamiltonian graph? Can we find such circuit which covered every vertex exactly one time? No, it is not possible. Let's start with the A to B, okay, and after B to C, C to D, D to E, and from E just check the inside vertex. E to H, complete this star. I to J, J to F, F to this vertex is a G, okay, F to G, and from G you will reach back to the H again. ठीक है, आप फिर से H तक पहुंचोगे, and from H we cannot use this vertex again. Okay, H is repeated now, and therefore it is not possible. Okay, so same conclusion. It is not Hamiltonian graph. Okay, because it does not contain uh, Hamiltonian circuit. ठीक है, इसमें कोई भी Hamiltonian circuit ऐसी नहीं बनेगी जिसमें आप सभी वर्टेक्स एक बार यूज कर सकें. ठीक है, so that is answer of question number 30. Now next question is question number 12. Now next is a question number 30. Here one graph is given that, and check that is Hamiltonian or not. Okay, and then after find here it is all Hamiltonian cycle is mentioned that, but we'll check 5 Hamiltonian cycle. Okay, derive the 5 different Hamiltonian cycle. So first verify this graph is Hamiltonian or not. Okay, clearly it is Hamiltonian. So mention all different Hamiltonian cycles. So how we can change Hamiltonian cycle? So change your starting vertex, okay, and just move on the another directions and complete such circuit. If it is include all the vertex exactly one time, then it will be the Hamiltonian cycle. Okay. So just find different Hamiltonian cycle. Just check it.
सर
हाँ, yes please.
सर स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट को ना चेंज करके पाथ चेंज कर दे
तो भी चलेगा. That is also good. Okay, so here it is Hamiltonian graph. Okay, it's easy to verify. It is Hamiltonian graph. Okay, because it has Hamiltonian circuit. Now we have to consider the collection of Hamiltonian circuit. Okay, we can easily change the Hamiltonian circuit if the graph is Hamiltonian. So first one, we can consider A to C, okay, C to E, E to D, then after D to F, F to B, and B to A. Clear? From A to B, all the vertex we have covered, and no any repetition is there. So that is one Hamiltonian cycle. Now we have to change it. Okay? Let's start with the D, F. Okay, any starting place you can consider. And now move on the another way. Clear? A to B first. Okay. Then after F, F to D, D to E, E to C, and C to A. That is another one. Okay. Root are the change. Clear? Path is change. Now let's change the starting place. Okay. Let's start with the uh, E first. Okay. Let's start with the E. So E, then after D, you can also consider any direction. Okay, direction is not a fix here. So E, D, F, A, B, C, and E. That is another one. Clear? Third one. Now let's consider. Someone has replied D, E, C, C, A, B, F, D. Okay, D, E, C. That is also applicable. D, E, C, B, A, F, D. Okay, that is possible. And last you can consider, let's start with the F. Okay, so F, uh, then after B, A, C, E, D, F. Clear? So these are the possible answer. Okay, you can also consider more Hamiltonian cycle also. Okay, that is also more answer is also possible. Okay, so is there any query in Hamiltonian Euler graph concept? Is there any doubt to anyone? Okay. Now next question are there. It is our depends on our ongoing theory. Concept of tree, spanning tree. That is 14 number. That is one of the theorem. Okay, and you have to prove that they are equivalent. And then after in 15, we have to draw some spanning tree clear of this graph. Then after in 16, you have to check how many spanning tree in K4 and which formula is applicable there. And in 17, that will depends on Kruskal algorithm to check the minimum weighted spanning tree. Okay. So these 4 questions we'll discuss in the next lab, clear? Because one of the part is remaining in this unit, that is a Kruskal algorithm. We'll add some more example there, and then after we'll discuss this all the 4 questions, clear, related to the last topic in the next week lab, clear? Now, I already upload this PDF file of this unit in your email. So download it and refer this all the topic again, clear? Practice it for writing, clear? How we can prove any theorem if it is asked for 8 mark, clear? Which data is required there, okay? Which data is most important uh, uh, to mention it, okay, in this proof and so on. So practice it all the theory, clear, definitions, because the most important definition, that is Euler graph, Hamiltonian graph, complete bipartite graph, clear? We can consider as a questions, clear? Can define the complete bipartite graph with one example, okay? That asked as a 6 mark, clear? Define Euler graph and Hamiltonian graph with example, clear? Write a state and prove the first theorem, clear, through this given statement. So lots of questions we can create, okay? And yesterday we got a timetable of mid 1, clear? Your mid one will be in offline form, clear? 30 mark descriptive paper will be there. No any MCQ, clear? No any MCQ will be there. So it will be in offline mode, okay? It is not online form, clear? Syllabus, we finished the unit one almost, okay? And our paper of DMGT will be on 24th August, I think. So we'll finish also the unit number 2, clear? So unit 1 is will be there as well as unit 2, okay? If we'll finish to the topic, clear? I think most of the topic will finish in this unit number 2 in this 2 to 3 week, okay? We for the 3 week, I think. So we'll finish until unit number 2, clear? So syllabus will be the unit 1 and 2, clear? Most probably. If there is any change, then we'll discuss in the lecture. Clear? Yeah, unit 1 means chapter 4, yes, chapter 4 and 5, okay? Not